Happy fall, everyone. I love this time of year because it's harvest time. For farmers, the fall harvest is all about harvesting their crops, harvesting their grains, their soy, their corn, and then reaping the benefits of that harvest and all of the hard work that they've put in for the year. For financial advisors, the fall harvest is about two things: harvesting losses to offset gains and thereby reducing their clients' tax burden. But it's also about harvesting certain gains and losses to maximize their clients' charitable donations. I also love this time of year because this is that one time of year where it is so easy to illustrate your value to your clients. So I'm wondering, what are you doing for the fall harvest? And how are your clients going to hear about it?